be expats. Quite busy inside of there actually. Nice to see. Wow. Back onto the seating areas out inside. Little things and things in there. Of all of the ice creams here. The hour. Yeah, but not super busy. Rosso Vivo. And just here we have the Mercure Hotel, Kuta Beach. I've featured this in a video again. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 20 past 7 p.m. I'm here in the Kuta area, Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta from Beachwalk shopping mall to the main gate entrance of Kuta Beach. So featured in this section of video today is obviously the Beachwalk shopping mall. I'm actually going to go inside the shopping mall to start off with and just show you and take you through a collection of like coffee shops. One is Sardinia restaurant, Arabica, Starbucks, Villa Capri. So there's a collection of restaurants and coffee shops mixed together, and then we're going to come back down onto the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta and continue walking to the main gate entrance of Kuta Beach. So as I'm walking along the street in tonight's video, there's going to be a few nice hotel, resort accommodation options available along this section of street. Most notably, the Hard Rock Hotel is here, the Kuta Beach Heritage, the Mercure Kuta Beach, Kuta Beach Sea View as well. Kuta Bex is also another one. I might be missing some, but we shall feature them as we're walking along the street. There's also a few restaurants as well. Rosso Vivo is one of the popular ones along this section of street. You have a Pizza Hut as well. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in everything and give you some idea of what you can expect from this area along Jalan Pantai Kuta. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so here's the start point for today's video, the main entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall. These people are just waiting to have the picture taken. We have all of the restaurants and things. We're going to walk along there. Sardinia, Cafe Sardinia, Arabica, Starbucks, Sushi Hero, Villa Capri, all along there. So this is the street with Kuta Beach. Kuta Beach is just directly across the street there. Not busy with traffic. People just having a picture taken there now. Okay, so we're just coming through the security gate here at Beachwalk now. Here we are, and this little funky dancing panda. The ladies are dancing and taking photos there. You have to make a donation. And we're going to head along this section of Beachwalk and back out onto Beachwalk shopping mall. So this is called Cafe Sardinia, the first restaurant. Live acoustic music. There's all of the different foods available. And Grand Pizza. And there's the name, Cafe Sardinia. A group of Western tourists here. I presume the Western tourists could be expats. Quite busy inside of there actually. Nice to see. Wow. Back onto the seating areas out here. Nice. This is a place called Arabica. Mainly Indonesian though. It's the inside area. I want to take you inside and have a wander around. It's a beautiful place, very popular this. It's actually more popular than Starbucks, which is the next coffee shop that's coming up. It's the inside of Arabica. Arabica name there. It's beautiful seating areas inside. Okay, just coming back out of Arabica now. This is Starbucks. Indonesian again. It's the inside of the Starbucks. Pretty busy as well at Starbucks. Just show you the name. Starbucks. It's the inside as well. That's busy inside. Sweet flavours flow. have Villa Capri just next door. This is this one. Indonesian again here. Some Western over there. Just little tables. And a very popular one next door called Sushi Hero. People are actually queuing up waiting to get seats there. They sit down there. The restaurant's so full inside. See inside there, super busy. We're going to walk along the side. Villa Capri. Show her that Sushi Hero seating as well. Just walk you along and just show you inside the Beachwalk now. There's Sushi Hero inside, all the tables full there. Okay, just coming out of Sushi Hero now. We're finished with the restaurants. A big Zara here. Just turn the camera off while we're walking along the platform. Kuta Beach is just over there. And we're going to drop down onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. Okay, so here we are. There's the entrance to the Zara. We have a Uniqlo over there. Have a security check here for coming in through this gate point. And we're just going to walk down here and join the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. Okay, so we're on Jalan Pantai Kuta now. Kuta Beach is across the street there. Let's see how busy it is here. We have the Sheraton just to the left here. I'll show you in a moment when we just get to the sign. And it is Sheraton Bali Kuta Beach. We have a guy here. How are you, brother? You good? Good. It's just there, the Sheraton. We have Slushy Island here. We're going to walk past now. Probably copyright music. Probably some nice girls at Slushy Island. Slushy Island. And then this is Poppy's Lane 2. So Poppy's Lane 2 down there. Of shopping, massage, spa, hotels. We have an Alpha Mart here. How are you, brother? You good? Have the copyright music on there, so that's our Alpha Mart. Next we have a restaurant called, I think it's Viva Rosso or Rosso Vivo. Not as busy as usual. Have a Western there. A group of Western here. Yeah, but not super busy. Rosso Vivo. Island Lounge. Spaghetti. Here's the main entrance here. Some music on there as well. Rosso Vivo. Hello, how are you? So not as busy as it usually is, that restaurant. Quite a few people on the street, but mainly Indonesian. I've some in here as well. Western tourists, can't see because of the bushes. I'm going to cut across the street, I think, so you can have a better view of where we're coming up to. Kuta Sea View Beach Resort. It's just located in the back there. Okay, so there's Vivo or Rosso Vivo Kuta Sea View Beach Resort. And here we have the brand new Flapjacks. The Mini Mart and the Indo Mart convenience stores next door. We're going to cut back across the street and take a look at the Flapjacks. This is brand new. It was a restaurant before, however they've sort of like opened it all up now. A great group of Western tourists in there. Little things and things in there. Have all of the ice creams here. Some different ice creams available in there. A nice big seating area inside here. Hello. Coming out of Flapjacks, have a course and cart running up the street there, and now we're going to head back down along Jalan Pantai Kuta. All the menus outside here at Flapjacks if you want to take a look at that. Too small for the camera to read in this darkness. There's our mini mart. an Indomaret coming up now. Little tourist information tour booking service there. Walk a little bit fast just to get round. We have a summer breeze. This place here. Here's the Indomaret. You can get a coffee as well from here. They have a coffee point there, just in the actual Indomaret, and then you can sit outside here overlooking the street. So summer breeze looks interesting. Lots of ice creams and things in there, and drinks as well. Ice creams 15k, drinks ranging from 36 to 43. Some nice funky looking ice creams there as well. Wow, nice. Just continue on, we have another Alpha Mart here. We've just gone past an Alpha Mart. PMV tourist information tour booking service there. And then just to the left here now we have Poppy's Lane 1. Poppy's Lane 2 up near Beachwalk shopping mall where we started. That's Poppy's Lane 1. Some Indonesian around this area. Have the Kuta Bali hotel there as well. Kuta Bali Market Sea Point. This is actually new, I haven't seen this before. This is something new that's just opened. Market down in there. That's the Kuta Bali hotel up there. Very dark on the street today. You can go up to the bar here for the Kuta Bali lady there. A Pronto Pizza up above there as well. Hello, how are you? Circle K. And then we're going to cut across the street. We have the horse and carts here. You can take these if you want to run around Kuta. A few along the front here. And then here we have quite a popular seating area. Like a raised platform area. The stone there. And Kuta Beach is just in the distance. Let's just give you a show. People just sit on the edge there overlooking the ocean. Okay, so there's a look back at Kuta Bali. Some kind of connection going on between Kuta Bali and the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel. I've featured this in a video. It's a fabulous hotel that, managed by a core. She'll add the link in the description for you for that. The Mercure is just literally next door. I'll go and pick them both up so you can see. Ooh, almost a little bit fast there. So this is the Kuta Beach Heritage. Just up those stairs there, little Circle K. Laundry Express. Another Starbucks here, but better you go to the Starbucks at Beachwalk. Which is, I don't know, it always looks a little bit neglected, this one to me. Got a seating area inside there, seating area outside here. Continuing on from Starbucks, we have Odyssey Surf School. We also have a Gelato Maximo, fabulous ice cream that. It's from the Maximo in Sonora. And then just here we have the Mercure Hotel, Kuta Beach. I've featured this in a video again, the Mercure Kuta Beach. Nice hotel. Right across the street from Kuta Beach. We have Pizza Hut right next door to the Mercure. There's the Pizza Hut. Looks as though it's had a little bit of an upgrade. Nice new seating areas. I've just had a big group of customers there. I can see all the plates. We have these little seating areas overlooking the street also. So Pizza Hut has free Wi-Fi, outdoor area, open 10 till 11. Kuta Beach again across the street. And then just on the left here we have the Hard Rock Hotel. I think this is a 5-star prestigious hotel. Not sure whether it's 4 or 5 actually, the Hard Rock display up there. So this is the Hard Rock Hotel over here, and as is usual you have a Hard Rock Cafe which is here. It's a big impressive building. Never actually eaten here. Doesn't actually look too busy. A lot of the upstairs seating area looks as though it's almost closed down. And more of the horses and carts here. So we'll go across the street. It's the Hard Rock Hotel. Happy hour. And then just next door to the Hard Rock Cafe we have the Rock Shop there. Get 1 free tote bag. Minimum spend 2 million. Hard Rock Bali. That's the Kuta Beach across the street. Famous guitar there, Hard Rock Cafe if you want to have your picture taken. And then here we have a money changer. Wow, look at the exchange rates on the board now. Australian dollar, ooh la la. Wow, GBP as well. And this is night time, so these will be actually reduced during the night time. I think this is a legitimate money changer. And we just have a small walk down now, and the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach is there in the distance now. So there we are, the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach. There's the street where we've just come along. This is a continuation of Jalan Pantai Kuta. The Truntum Hotel across the street, ex-inner Kuta Beach Hotel. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video. My night stroll along a section of the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta, starting now at the main entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall and just guiding you through a little bit of Beachwalk for the coffee shops, Arabica, Starbucks, the restaurants as well there, Sardinia, Sushi Hero, Villa Capri, 5 fabulous places inside the actual Beachwalk shopping mall itself there. Quite popular as well this evening. Do take into consideration it is a weekday. During the weekend they will be even busier than they were in tonight's video, and they were still quite busy tonight. Also along the street we come out of Beachwalk shopping mall, drop down onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. Quite a few hotel resort accommodation options in this area. The Hard Rock Hotel, Mercure Hotel, Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel, Kuta Bex, Kuta Beach Seaview Hotel. Not sure whether I'm missing any or not. I have featured the Mercure and the Kuta Beach Heritage. I shall have those in the description of this video for you if you want to take a look at those places. You've also got a few restaurants and things as well on the street. Rossa Vivo, another usually popular place, not quite so busy in tonight's video. Pizza Hut, that was quite empty as well there. But all in all, in the sort of like the height of the season here in Bali, this is usually one of the popular areas, and probably a lot busier also on a weekend. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, especially if you stay in the Kuta area of Bali, and I shall say bye for now.